Okay, so I'm just going to show you in this video how quickly you can actually price your pieces, and more importantly price them accurately so you do actually know how much they cost for you to create, how much time you've spent on them and how much that's cost, and then what you should actually be selling them for to make sure that you can actually make a profit out of selling your jewellery. So it's very quick and very easy to do. We're going to run through this here, and obviously because I'm going to explain each step of the way it's going to take a few seconds longer, but literally when you do this yourself you can do this in 10 seconds. It's very simple. So we need to add in a new piece to start with, which I've done here. So a necklace, just a glass necklace, just to create a piece, and then all we have to do is add parts to create that. So this comes from our inventory, so we'll use some bead string, and I'm just going to use some arbitrary numbers here just to fill this in, and then some multicolored glass beads. Let's say we use 50 of those, and we'll add in a silver toggle clasp just to make sure it's all held together. So what Bead Manager Pro has done, we've taken the parts from our inventory, and these have all automatically been deducted from our inventory as well. And it's given us the unit price, the extended price, so it works out exactly how much each part has cost in total to be used in there, and then the tax amounts as well. And if we go into our cost tab, we can see down here now we've got the total cost of the material and the tax that's been paid on those particular parts. We need to add in amount of time that's actually taken to do this. So I'm going to say it's half an hour. And we've got an hourly rate down here. Now the hourly rate, in case you're wondering, has already been calculated by Bead Manager Pro from our admin section, where you'll fill in your actual desired salary, your overhead costs, etc. So Bead Manager Pro will actually work out for you exactly what your hourly rate should be that you're charging. So if you're interested in finding out more about that, then you can click on the link below for the hourly rate calculator tutorial. And then we can see here the item label is worked out, so we've got $14.62, and other costs, so I've just added in $5 here of other costs. That could be for packaging, miscellaneous, whatever it might be. And then that's it. Bead Manager Pro has worked out for you here the actual total cost for producing this piece. So it's $33.46 just to produce this piece in terms of material and labour. So that's how much it's cost you, so you can figure that out instantly. But now you need to work out how much you're actually going to sell it for. So if we go into our sale price tab, we can see here we've got three different ranges for markups. So we've got a wholesale, direct, and a suggested retail. You can actually adjust these to whatever you'd like them to be. And what Bead Manager Pro is actually doing is marking up the cost of the materials by the markup rate and then adding the labour to it. We don't mark up the labour again. We only mark up the materials because that's what you've had to pay for. So that then gives us our sale price and our gross profit. And then we can just use these because you've then got the option to pick whichever one of these prices you'd like when you create an invoice. So the only thing that's left to do after that is to turn this into an invoice, and then you can actually sell your materials to your customers, making sure that you actually have the exact correct pricing on there and that you're always charging the correct prices for your pieces.